Reliance Lines Primary School, Bagalkot, for Mathematics class standard 7th. So dear students, in the previous class I have started exercise 4.1 and I completed the first main. Now I am just continuing from the second main. See now, check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. Okay. From the second main we will start. Check the value. Just I will write. Check the value. You write full heading because since I am having here less place, I am just writing the small heading. What we have to do here, see, in the bracket they have given one value. See first one, n plus a1. The equation given is n plus 5 is equal to 19. Here the value is n equal to 1. What we have to do? Check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution to the given equation or not. If it is a given solution for the given equation, LHS must be equal to RHS. Then n equal to 1 is a solution. We will see whether n equal to 1 is solution or what. In place of n, we have to put 1 plus 5 is equal to 19. 1 plus 5 is 6 is not equal to 19. That means LHS is not equal to RHS. So then what to do? N equal to 1 is not a solution. So this implies that n equal to 1 is not a solution. It's not a solution to the given equation. Like this we have to do. Next one, that is B. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Here what is the value given in the bracket? N is equal to minus 2. See here. 7 in place of n we have to put minus 2. Plus 5 is equal to 19. Okay. Now see here, plus into minus bracket means into. I told you already. So plus into minus is minus. 7 2s are 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. 1 plus 1 minus we have to subtract. Bigger number sign we have to keep. See, minus 14 plus 5. That means minus 9 is not equal to 19. You know it. Minus 9 is never equal to 19. So this implies that LHS is not equal to RHS. So n equal to minus 2 is not the value. Not the value. Okay. Is not the value, no? Is not the solution. Is not the solution. Is not a solution. Okay. This is second one. Now third C will do. C 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Here n equal to 2. So this implies that 7 in place of n we have to put 2 plus 5 is equal to 19. 7 2s are 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. 14 plus 5 is 19 is equal to 19. Yes. So this is nothing but LHS equal to RHS. So n equal to 2 is a solution. Is a solution. This is correct solution they have given. Next, fourth one, D 4p minus 3 is equal to 13 when p is equal to 1. See now, this implies that in place of p, 4 into bracket 1 minus 3 is equal to 13. 4 ones are 4 minus 3 is equal to 13. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 is not equal to 13. This is nothing but LHS is not equal to RHS. So, what is that? P is equal to, this implies that P is equal to 1 is not a solution. Not a solution. Okay. This is fourth problem in the second main. Now, fifth one. E 4p minus 3 is equal to 13 in bracket p is equal to minus 4. So, this implies that 4 into bracket, in place of p we have to put minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 13 plus into minus, minus 4 4s are 16 minus 3 is equal to 13. Minus 16 minus 9, both are negative, means we have to add into the negative sign. Minus 19 is not equal to 13. So this implies that LHS is not equal to RHS. So this implies that P equal to minus 4 is not a solution. Not a solution. Next one, last in the second main, that is F. 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. P value is 0. P equal to 0 they have given. See, this implies that 4 into bracket p is 0 minus 3 is equal to 13. Yes, 13. 4 zeros are 0 minus 3 is equal to 13. 0 minus 3 is minus 3 is equal to 13. See, these both are not equal. So, this implies that LHS is not equal to RHS. So, this implies that P is equal to 0 is not a solution. Okay, this is what finding whether the given value is solution or not. This is the way. Okay, copy this. See here students, third main. Solve the equation by trial and error method. Trial and error method. How to find out? See, suppose the value is given, very easily we can find out whether it is a solution or not. In the previous main we have seen it. Only equation is given. By trial and error method, p equal to 1, it may be the value. P equal to 2, it may be the value. Like that, trial and error method. See now, the first problem, I will solve you. 5p plus 2, 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. Now we don't know what is the value of p here. We don't know the solution of this equation. Okay. Then how to find out? By trial and error method. When p equal to 0 will take first. Okay. P equal to 0. So this implies that 5 In place of p we have to take 0 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 zeros are 0 plus 2 is equal to 17. See here, 2 is not equal to 17. That means 0 is not the value. Then when p equal to 1, what happens? 5 into bracket, we have to put here 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 ones are 5 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 plus 2, 7 is not equal to 17. Yes. Then when p equal to 2, what happens? So what is the equation? 5p plus 2 equal to 17. So in place of p we have to put 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 12 is also not equal to 17. So this is also not the value. Like this you have to do trial and error method. So when p equal to 3, what is the equation? 5p plus 2 equal to 17. 5 into bracket 3 plus 2 equal to 17. 15 plus 2 equal to 17. 17 equal to 17. Yes, then this implies that p equal to 3 is a solution. Is a solution. This is what a trial and error method. Sometimes, now luckily we got a solution just after the 3 or 4 steps. Sometimes you have to go on doing. This is the drawback of this method, trial and error method. So this method will not be longing forever. So we are learning one more method that in the next exercise I am going to teach you, because this trial and error method will be not successfully. It takes much time. Here luckily we got just after the 3 values. Sometimes 10 values, 15 values, 20 values we have to take and verify it. So that is not the successful method. So okay, this is what the first problem. The same way one more they have given, trial and error method, that is second one, 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. Here first we will take when m equal to 0 we will take. Okay. What happens? 3 into bracket 0 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 zeros are 0 minus 14 is equal to 4. Minus 14 is not equal to 4. This is not the value then. Then what it may be when m equal to 1? When m equal to 1. Okay. Then this implies that 3 into bracket 1 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 minus 14 is equal to 4. Minus 11. 3 minus 14, bigger number sign will come. Minus 14 is not equal to 4. Then when m equal to 2, 3 into bracket 2 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 2s are 6 minus 14, 4. Then minus 8 is not equal to 4. Okay. Next. When m is equal to 3, what happens? 3 into bracket 3 3s are 9 minus 14 is equal to 4. 9 minus 14, this is minus 5 is equal to 4. Both are not equal. You just observe the value. When 0 minus 14 minus 11, it is decreasing. Minus 8 minus 5. Then next it may come still more. Here negative values. Okay. Next it may come positive value. Now when m is equal to 4, what happens? 3 into bracket 4 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 4s are 12 minus 14 is equal to 4. Minus 2 is not equal to 4. Then when m is equal to 5, 3 into bracket 5 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 5s are 15 minus 4 is equal to 4. 1 is not equal to 4. See, like this we have to go on doing like this. See here, now here onwards we are getting the positive values. Next 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 4. Definitely that will be the value. When m is equal to 6, 3 into bracket 6 minus 14 is equal to 4. 18 minus 4 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4. Yes, this implies that m equal to 6 is a solution. See, for one value, how many steps you need to do here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. At last 7th step, we got the required solution. So this is a trial and error method. Okay. But if they ask in the exam, you have to do only. This is a trial and error method. You have to go on doing till you get the required solution. Okay. So you copy this. Fourth main is write the equations for the following. They have given the statements. We have to write the equations. See, we will see the first statement. The first statement is the sum of numbers x and 4 is numbers x and 4 is 9. See, this is what the statement they have given. The sum of, already I told in the explanation, sum means plus. The sum of numbers, which are numbers x and 4. So what is the equation? We write here the equation. What is the equation? X plus 4 is equal to 9. This is the method of writing the equation for the given statement. Second one, 2 subtracted from y. 2 subtracted from y is 8. See here the equation. 2 subtracted from y, that means y minus 2 is 8. This is the method of writing the equation. Next, 10 times a is 70. 10 times a is 70. 10 times, that means what is the equation? A is equal to 70. Next, the fourth one, the number b divided by 5, the number b divided by which number? 5 divided by 5 gives 6. Gives 6. So, what is the equation? The equation, the number b divided by 5 is equal to 6, or b by 5 equal to 6 also you can write, no problem, same. Next, fifth one, 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4 of t is 15. The equation, 3/4 means 3 by 4, t, here t will come, is equal to 15. Next, sixth one, 7 times m plus 7 times m plus 7 times m plus 7 gets u 77. The equation, 7 times m means 7m plus 7 gets u means is equal to 77. This is what the sixth one. Seventh, 1/4 of a number, 1/4 of a number, 1/4 of a number, x minus 4 gives 4. The equation, 1/4 of a number, 1 by 4th of x minus 4 is equal to 4. Next, eighth one, if you take away 6 from 6 times y, if you take away 6 times of, if you take away 6 from 6 times of y, 6 from 6 times of y, you get 60. You get 60. The equation, you take away means minus 6 from 6 times y. 6y minus 6 is equal to 60. Then the last and ninth one is, if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, 3 to 1/3 of 1/3 of z, you get 30. You get 30. The equation, if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, 1/3 of z plus 3 is equal to 30. So these all are the equations. Okay, the method of writing the equation I showed you already. This is a fourth main. Copy this. Next, fifth and sixth main I'll do. Now the fifth main is just opposite of the fourth main. In the fourth main, they have given the statements. We wrote the equation. Now, equation they have given, statement we have to write. Okay. So, the first statement we will write p plus 4 equal to 15. How can you write? The sum of p and 4 is 15. Next, second one, m minus 7, m minus 7 is equal to 3. The statement, if 7 is taken away from m to get 3. Okay, next 2m is equal to 7. 2m is equal to 7. The statement is 2 times of m is 7, or this 7 also you can write, no problem. Next, fourth one, m by 5 is equal to 3. If m divides is divided by 5 to get 3, then the next one, that is fifth one, 3m by 5 is equal to 6. 3/5 of a number, or 3/5 of m, 3/5 of m is equal to 6. Next, sixth one, 3p plus 4 is equal to 25. When 3 times of p is added to 4 gives 25. Next, seventh one, 4p minus 2 is equal to 18. If you take away 2 from 4 times of P, you get 18. This is seventh one. Now, eighth and last. P by 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. When P is divided by 2, when P is divided by 2 and added to 2 to get 8. So this is what method of writing the statements for the given equations. Okay, complete this fifth way. Next I am going to do the sixth way. Now the sixth way, you take the question from your textbook. First question you take. We have to set up an equation for the given situation. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Take M to be the number of Parmit's marbles. Okay. Let the Parmit's marbles be M. Then the equation. What is the equation? Irfan says that 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. That means 5M. Irfan is having 7 more than the 5 times the Parmit. The total marbles are 37. So the equation is like this. So first you write the question, then Parmit's marbles be M, the equation. Okay. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. He is 4 years older. Okay. Then 3 times Lakshmi's age. Here we have to consider Lakshmi's age be Y. Then second one, let the age of Lakshmi be Y. Then Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times of Lakshmi's age. So the equation. See here, 3 times Lakshmi's age means 3y. 4 years older means plus 4 is equal to 49. So this is what the equation 3y plus 4 equal to 49. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. Twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. Total is 87. Take the lowest score to be L. Yes. Let the lowest score be L. Then the equation. The equation, see here. Twice the lowest. That means 2L. Marks plus 7. 2L. Twice the lowest marks plus 7. 2 2L plus 7 is equal to 87. 87 is the total mass. Next, the last one, that is fourth one from this exercise. In an isosceles triangle, isosceles means what? Two sides are equal. Okay. In an isosceles triangle, see, isosceles will be like this. These two will be equal. This is isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. See, this is called as vertex angle. Vertex angle. That how it will be? In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. This is double of these two angles. Base angles. These two are base angles and this is vertex angle. Either base angles. Let the base angle be B. B in degrees. Remember that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. See here. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Twice means double of this, double of this. That means 4 times. Here double, here double. 4 times the base angles is equal to 180 degree. So, how is the vertex angle? First we will consider, what we will consider there? Let the base angle be B degrees. Let the base angles be B degrees. Then twice means twice of either. Twice of either angles means 2B plus 2B is equal to 180 degree. Total is 180 degree. Okay. That means that what is the vertex angle? 4B equal to 180 degree. This is twice. Both together how much is that? That is vertex angle is equal to 180 degree. 4B equal to 180 degree. Okay. This is what the last sum of this exercise. So the homework is exercise 4.1. Okay. So by this exercise completed. Next session I will take the next how to solve the equation in the different method. Okay. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.